So here's another project I've been working on. The emergency light cover for AMT 271 fell off over the week, as I said in the video of the Loke sound, but yeah, that's how it looks like now. I used an Atlas headlight cover kit, painted it black. Then I used canopy glue for it. Give me a second to find that kit. So here's the kit. You can see there's all different kind of shapes. I used the bigger circle with no rivets, but with the lip, and then I put that in backwards, like the lip facing towards the hole, so that it covered up the hole. So that's how I did it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like it.